Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Self-cleaning ovens can produce and emit dangerous fumes into the air with an unpleasant burning smell. Self-cleaning ovens reach high temperatures and produce fumes from the burning of food particles and enamel lining. These fumes circulate within the indoor air and can affect the home occupants.
Take our lead.
The fumes coming out of a self-cleaning oven are harmful only to tropical birds. Baked-on spills and grease in the oven will likely produce bad smells as they're blasted away by the high heat of the oven, so it's still recommended to open your windows for air circulation and turn on the vent above the stove as well.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Last, but certainly not least, the self-cleaning feature can present a fire hazard. Even if you've removed all the larger food particles, you'll likely have grease or cooking oil splatters and spills to burn off. A word of advice: if your oven does catch on fire during the clean cycle, don't try to put it out.
Take our lead.
We do not recommend leaving the oven racks in the oven during the self-clean cycle. The racks may warp and discolor due to the extreme heat created during this cycle. The racks can also damage the racked guides of the porcelain oven cavity due to expansion and contraction.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.